This is a review of Merrell Capra Mid Gore-Tex boots, to give them their full and precise name, as bought from Decathlon and as helping me to walk the length of Hadrian's Wall. I'm going to start with the positives. These boots are very comfortable with a good wide fit so your toes don't get crammed together. I'm foot size 10.5 and bought boot size 11, which were just right, including not creasing across the toes as many size 11s do for me. The boots are very quick and easy to put on and do up, and they offer pretty good protection for your feet and for your ankles and decent ankle support. The waterproofing works well when the boots are new, even with frequent and complete immersion in peat bogs and puddles, though it does need renewing. The boots are quite warm in colder conditions, not too warm in hot conditions, and they're also light, just over 500 grams per boot, which is not far off the weight of some hiking shoes. The lightness, though, does come at a price because the boots have a relatively thin sole. It's not a barefoot experience, but it means you do feel it on the rocky sections, and they don't provide a lot of cushioning when pounding the miles for long distance hikes. The soles of your feet are going to get tired if you're doing 8, 9 longer hour days, especially over rocky ground or on road or pavement. The grip of the soles is good on grass, earth, snow, trail surfaces like sandstone, limestone, gritstone. It's poor on mud, ice and slippery rock, but to be fair, what boots will really grip on those surfaces? In summary, these were not the right boots for a long distance hike like Hadrian's Wall. I should have chosen something with a thicker sole. The boots are great for half-day hikes, say up to about 10 miles, because of their good fit, their lightness, support, protection, and so on. They are also good boots for scrambling. I've been using them for a couple of years for this. Indeed, as you can see, I like them so much that I bought a second pair. I now use the newer pair for dry scrambling and the older pair for Ghyll scrambling. Overall, I'm going to give them 8 out of 10, especially because it's been years since I found boots that really fitted well. But make sure you buy them for the right purposes. As I noted at the start, you can get them from Decathlon and also from Amazon, among other suppliers.